Hello everyone. I have some cubes in here, some connecting cubes. And well, I have a lot of connecting cubes. Let's look at this. How many connecting cubes do I have? Will you count these for me? What? You think it's too hard to count it like this? What's a way we can make this easier to count? Any ideas? That's a good idea. We can put them in groups of 10. Groups of 10 are easy to count. So I want to put these in groups of 10. Hold on one moment. Boom! There we go. Now we have sets of 10. So now we can count these by 10s. That will be so much easier. Let's count by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, good. I have 100 of these cubes. We're going to do something. We're going to see how many different ways we can show 72. So for 72, let's count out. Let's see. I like these colors in the middle most. I don't like the brown and black as much. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 7 of these, 7 tens. That's 70, right? Then we'll need 2 more. 72. Okay, now I have 72 cubes. If I move them around like this, is this still 72? Well, you can't see them all, but is that still 72? Yeah, it doesn't matter if I move them around, right? They're still 72 cubes. So let's fill out a little chart today. This chart is a tens and ones chart. And I will write, I am doing the number 72, so there are 7 tens and 2 ones. 7 tens, 2 ones. Let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 tens, 2 ones. There you go. I have a question. What if I took the pink and I just broke it up? Did I change the number of cubes? Did I change the number of cubes sitting here? No, I didn't. There are still 72 cubes right here. See? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. This is still 72 cubes. The number didn't change. It's still 72. But it did change something. How many groups of 10 do I have? Now I only have 6 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In my sticks, I only have 6 groups of 10. So I can write the 6 here. How many ones that are broken up? How many ones are there? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now there are 12 ones. These are 2 different ways to make the same number. 7 tens and 2 ones make 72. 6 tens and 12 ones also make 72. What if I went and I broke up the purples? And I just keep breaking them. There we go. So now we've got lots of ones now. Lots of ones. How many ones do I have? That's a lot. How many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I have 22 ones. That's a lot of ones. How many tens do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens and 22 ones. What number does that make? You're right. It's still 72. I did not change the number of cubes. It's still 72. We could count these by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72. Whoa! Still 72. All right, I'm going to do it one more time. And then we're going to break up the blues. Let's see what... Okay. Well, I'm going to save us a little time. We already knew this was 22, so let's just count up from there. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Now we have 32 blues. Or, not blues, 32 ones. How many tens do I have? 4. Do you notice anything about our tens and ones chart? Every time this goes down by 10, this goes up by 10. So the number goes down 7, 6, 5, 4. This one goes up by 10s. 2, 12, 22, 32. What would happen if I broke up the greens? What would I write? Well, there would be 3 tens left. And then how many ones would there be? 42 ones. Very nice. What if I broke up the yellows? I would just leave 2 tens left. And how many ones? 52 ones. It keeps going up. What if I broke up the oranges? That would leave 1 10 left. And how many ones? 62. Well, we are out of room on the chart, but I can squeeze it in under here. Very little at the bottom. What if I broke up the reds? If there were no tens and I broke up everything, how many would there be? 7. Ooh, I'm having trouble writing because it's so tiny on the bottom. 72. 72 ones. Wow! That's a lot of ones. What I'd like you to do today is you can get this chart back out. And if you have some of these, or you do have these, you can use these with the ones and the tens if you have that. Or if you have something like this, you could use number blocks like this, or you could use a different kind of counter. But it's nice if they can stick together so you can show that there's 10, a group of 10, and then you could break off other pieces to be ones. And I'd like you to maybe get some number cards. Whether you get like these kinds of number cards, I think they're purple in your set, or if you just get number cards like this and you draw 2. And then you would make a number. So I drew 8 and 7, so I'm going to do 8 tens and 7 ones. Go ahead and build your numbers. You could build it with this kind, or you could build it like this. See if you can build a couple numbers today. Your learning coach can help you either draw some numbers, or he or she can just tell you some numbers. But I want you to try a few. You don't have to turn anything in, just give it a try. Practice and build some numbers today. Have fun playing with the tens and the ones. Bye.